What's up mga kamusmos? Mayroon po kaming outing. Kasama ko yung Pedal Capital. Pupunta kami ng Dasol. Mag-outing kami. Alas 4 ng umaga yung meetup namin. Dahil iiwanan ko yung bike ko rito. Hinigahan ko ng konti. Morning! Touchdown! Ipinunta na yung bisikleta ko doon. Tinago na. Waiting na kami sa bus.
Yan.
Ang laki pala oh. O ayan ha, naka-vlog na, nagre-reklamo ka ha. Madilim kasi, sayang. Nakaupo, ano?
Di ba po parang ano?
Ay, konduktor ka ba?
Ayaw nga, di maira.
Kuya, uli, sama natin tayo magkakasin. Sige ba? Distributo yan ba?
Ay! Yung bag ko, yung may nilagay.
Bakit may?
Wala daw sa...
Nakalugang kila na ako. Yung bag yun eh. Pagulatan. Hindi, baka wala niya.
Hindi ako nagdala sa bag mo.
May tuwara yung ugaw.
Yung ginawa ko lang itong una ni ano, una ni...
Tuloy lang.
Masya tayo pati tayo di ba na itakyan na may kalkada.
Pasok.
Pasok lang tayo.
Pasok, kaya pati tayo.
Sir John, good morning.
Oh, good morning. Oh, di ba? Malamig.
Punta lang mo.
Hindi, meron ako ano, jacket.
Ikarato mo. Yun,
Okay lang, may jacket naman eh.
may jacket pa.
May baon ngayon ako jogging pants eh. Doon ako.
Ay, bag mo pa rin eh.
Ang gapula. Ang
Ay, bag mo.
patay.
Parang kasabi-sabi lang sa taga eh.
Ba't iniwan niya? Eh, kanya-kanyang bitbit nga eh.
Para nilay.
Jacket muna ako. Musta? Ayun oh. Malapitan. Ayun, gapula. Wala na pong ilaw. Alis na kami.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far is the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day.
Ito? Kaya taas baba eh. Paikot-ikot. Ano, balik tayo dito nakabike?
your spirit for the cold. A better day.
Do you want to know?
Touchdown! Dito na kami.
Because sun
Nandito yung ano? Nandito yung bahay ni Imelda.
Imelda?
Opo. Bigas po na kasi to.
Dun sa pangatlong kanto, boy.
is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby,
Ang kapula.
something's telling me it's right.
Tent, dala mo. Ako naman ngayon, duyan.
The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together.
Welcome to Tabombong Beach. Tabombong.
As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day. And it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align.
Dasol na kami. Touchdown.
To me, go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know.
Ganyan lang.
Ano lang, abang lang para walang pumusto. Para ito makasikat sa
Matter if it rains all day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow.
Kahit maliit lang.
Napila ko kuya.
Dito?
My heart, yeah.
Hindi. Ki.
Wow! Kala ko din.
Hindi, ito duyan muna.
Bali yung elevation.
Hindi, tama ito.
Hindi ikaw, yung ulo mo naka...
Hindi kasi binibidyo ko sila eh. Kumakain ako ng mani eh.
Pati mo nga. Huwag na. Hindi mo pre, takar mo imi. Hindi mo may salit. Turok yung kagabi turok to ya. Walit pilit itong turok ya.
Ano kaya? May mintik para dalo.
Setup. Ayan. Meron na dito. Isa. Dalawa. Tatlo. Tas ay yung isang duyan. Yun.
It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and
If I hurt you, then we'll go down. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? I gotta know, and I let you go. Oh baby, I just gotta know.
Yan, katatapos lang maligo. Ang sarap. Sunset na, tapos na. Lumabog na yung araw.
Ito po, nagsisimula. Tapos niya kami nangyari ba?
Good morning, Dasol. Ayan. Ang iingay ng mga tao dito. Walang tulugan. Kaya, good luck sa mga hindi nakatulog.
Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah. 도도한 두 눈에 매력적인 입술, 네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 내 기분은 higher. Girl, what's your desire? 내 심장은 paradise. You're beautiful, girl, can't you see? 다들 너를 질투해. 걱정 마, girl, can't you see? 내 눈엔 늘 완벽해. Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah. 못나도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah. 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah.
Call out na, pack up na, uwi na kami. Kasi wala na rin magawa. Goodbye, Dasol. Ayun lang yung dala ko, isang bag.
못나도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah. 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah. I want more money, more money, more money. Yeah. I want more money, more money, more money.
Yo. 네가 한숨을 쉬고 있는 모습 보면 절대 걱정하지 않아 너의 건강. 이건 사랑 같은 시시한 게 아니야. 우리 생긴다면
Uwian na. Ayan, pwede na matulog. Oo nga, umitim siya. Yung coral mo, nakuha mo?
Sama tayo.
Yan tayo pare, yan tayo.
Uwi na kami.
Hoy! Ikaw may nasundungay pa yan naman. Let's go! Sibay! Sibay! Bye! Bye! Salamat! Okay na? Okay na. Dali!
Yay! Ang ganda! Uwi na, maalog.
Yeah, 말해도 내겐 네가 Yeah, I want more money, yeah.
Bibili daw sila ng longganisa. Alaminos.
More money, yeah, 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 yeah.
너보다 거울 밖의 사람 내가 어때 같은 질문하면 항상 난 give up
나도 내겐 네가 Yeah, 말해도 내겐 네가 Yeah, I want more money.
Speaker ha? Dito na tayo! Dito na tayo sa lahat.
Ay, dito na ba? Kala ko hindi pa eh. Oo, may bike. Oo pabalik doon. Bike. Thank you, sir. Dito pa sarap, ako. May tubig pala doon.
May tubig ah, marami to eh.
Daming tubig. Kunin ko muna yung bisikleta ako dito. Nandito kay Bert. Ay, wala akong bitbit. Sa bagay, mabigat ang dala ko. Ayun sila, dami nalang bitbit. Nagluto kayo habang nasa biyahe?
Tapos yung ulam. Ang sabi ko, hindi mo ubus yung kanin ng ko.
Ah,
Bili na lang tayo ng walang doon kayo sir.
Mungguli ang ulam. Tamog kayo.
nasira yung tsinelas. That's my bike. Ayun yung bike. Kuha na natin yung bike. Ayan, uwi na tayo. Ayun yung dala natin. Hindi na ako nag-business. Sige na. So ayan guys, umalis na tayo. Hindi ko na hinintay yung ulam kasi bumili raw si Sir Jigs ng ulam. Uwi na kasi ko. Gusto ko ng maligo at magpalit ng damit at magpahinga, magmuni-muni. Siya nga pala guys, maraming nangyari kaya lang dahil limited ang power supply doon, mahirap mag-charge, so hindi na ako nag-video kasi nag-swimming, overnight kami doon, sila naman inom-inom. All in all, masaya yung aming outing. So successful ang aming backup outing. So yun lang guys, I think hanggang dito na lang ang ating vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. God bless you all guys. I love you.
second, I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. Nights in California, fly passing homes, yeah, right by sunset colored skies. Chilling by the ocean, driving up the mountain, soaked in the endless beauty all of you. You know it feels alright, alright, alright. Yeah. Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. Nights in California, fly passing homes, yeah, right by sunset colored skies. Chilling by the ocean, driving up the mountain, soaked in the endless beauty all of you. You know it feels alright, alright, alright. Tonight